Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. This is a petition under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, read with section 227 of the Constitution, seeking quashing of the case arising from FIR number 613/2007 at Police Station Krishna Nagar under section 323 and 341 of IPC. Stop. The FIR was registered on a complaint made by one Anupam Rastogi, who alleged that he had come to the house of her daughter Neha to discuss certain family matters and was present on the first floor when he was called downstairs by the father in law of his daughter. Stop. Four other persons named in the FIR were also present there. Stop. The discussion resulted in an altercation, and during the course of altercation, two of them, namely Subodh and Miku, caught hold of him by the neck, whereas Pappu and Guddu gave him legs and fist blows. Charge sheet for offences was filed after completion of investigation. Stop. At the time of arguments before the trial court on issue of notice, it was contended on behalf of the petitioners that non-cognizable offence is made out against them on the basis of the allegations made in the FIR, and no permission had been taken from the magistrate for carrying out investigation into non-cognizable offence. Stop. The learned Metropolitan Magistrate agreed that no offence was made out, but declined to review the order whereby cognizance was taken on the ground that he did not have power to review an earlier order whereby cognizance was taken. Stop. Notice accordingly was given to the petitioners for the offence punishable, giving an option to the petitioners to move this court for quashing the FIR and consequent proceedings. Stop para. Relying upon the decision of this court, it was contended by the learned senior counsel for the petitioners that since the offence under section 341 of IPC is admittedly not made out, and the offence under section 323 of IPC is a non-cognizable offence, the investigation having been conducted illegally, cognizance was bad in law, and the proceedings are therefore liable to be quashed. Stop. Thus, cognizance can be taken by the magistrate upon receipt of a complaint disclosing facts constituting commission of an offence, upon a police report disclosing such facts, or on his own knowledge. Stop para. A bare perusal of clause B above would show that the magistrate can take cognizance of any offence, irrespective of whether it is a cognizable offence or a non-cognizable offence, upon a police report disclosing such facts as would constitute commission of an offence. Stop. The foundation of the jurisdiction of the magistrate for taking cognizance of an offence does not depend upon the validity or otherwise of an investigation carried out by the police. Stop. It depends only upon the set of facts and circumstances placed before the court, from which the court comes to a conclusion that they constitute commission of an offence. Stop. It would therefore not be correct to say that cognizance of an invalid police report is prohibited necessarily in law, and is therefore a nullity. Stop. A defect or illegality in investigation, however serious, has no direct bearing on the competence or the procedure relating to cognizance or trial. Stop. No doubt, a police report which results from an investigation are provided as the material on which cognizance is taken. Stop. But it cannot be maintained that a valid and legal police report is the foundation of the jurisdiction of the court to take cognizance. Stop. It is not possible to say that cognizance on an invalid police report is prohibited and is therefore a nullity. Stop. Thank you.